Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to mark a booking order as paid in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. This is a website built using Hostinger Website Builder, and for a previous tutorial, I've placed a booking order or an appointment on this online store. And in this video, I will share with you how to mark it as a paid order. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to know which website is this one, I will search using the website URL. This is the website. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight to the store management area. Now click on Orders. Then click on the order you want to mark as paid. From this order details page, just scroll down to the bottom and below payment info, click on mark as paid. If you received payment, mark this order as paid. Mark as paid. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder. And also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. If you received payment, mark this order as paid. Mark as paid. And just like that, your order has the paid status. Let's go back to the orders page, refresh it. And as you can see, next to the same order, now the payment status is paid. And this is how to mark an booking or an appointment order in Hostinger Builder as paid. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.